Discover how to 3D print your own gardening trowel designed for strength and durability. The journey begins with crafting the design using CAD software, focusing on ergonomic grips and a robust blade structure for maximum functionality. One major challenge faced was ensuring the printed trowel could withstand high force without cracking, which was effectively solved by selecting heat-tempered PLA, known for its superior strength and environmental sustainability. Adjusting the infill density played a key role in achieving the required balance between weight and durability, ultimately enhancing the trowel's usability in various soil conditions. This project showcases innovation in everyday gardening tools and demonstrates how eco-friendly materials can deliver sustainable solutions.